Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here I am with Kuwait up-to-date news. Today's date is 13th of November 2020. Plans for return of domestic workers. Airlines urge tests over quarantines. Corruption rampant due to lack of oversight legislation in assembly. Audit Nazaha sign memorandum of understanding to battle corruption. Ministry of Finance Government Office to submit a report on state property infringement cases. No decision yet on 34 banned countries and quarantine period. The first rains. Light showers in some areas was a great relief for some who were anxiously waiting to see the raindrops fall. Indian Embassy celebrates Diwali by distributing sweets. Kuwait students to take exams online until vaccine made available. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation announces health guidelines for airline staff. The Minister of the Interior inspects the readiness of the firefighting for the rainy season. Today's COVID-19 cases. There are 780 new cases total, 135,650 cases. 751 new recoveries total, 126,344 recoveries. And 3 new deaths total, 833 deaths. 110 total serious cases and 8,473 total serious cases. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And hit the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload next time. And also, please support my channel so I can keep on posting videos on this content. Thank you!